Today we're gonna try another set of Filipino food. Jan, are you excited? Yes. We're gonna start na po, guys. We're gonna start with this.
What is that?
Chicken skin.
Chicken skin! Yay!
Gonna pay attention. This girl.
Oh, you try the chicken skin na. Come on. Oh.
Masarap ito tayo on my hair.
Asan ang hair?
Here.
Ano yata yan? Chicken fat. Hindi yan hair. Oo. Is it good, Diana? Yeah?
Hey, good.
May hair. Hair good. Oh, dan na sa chicken skin.
That's good, guys.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, which one you want to try next? You want to try the, ito tinitinda to sa sa labas ng school. Naalala ko pagka tapos sa school, masarap. Corn with cheese. Corn with cheese and butter. And sugar.
Cheese with butter and sugar.
Yep.
Yeah. Minimix mo na siya, dear.
Guys, meat.
Oh, sige, try it.
Okay.
Mama, meat.
Mik daw.
Let's try this na po.
Anong lasa?
It's a little bit good.
A little bit good lang? You don't like it?
Oh, kailan po yung taste, but not that sarap.
Oh, hindi mo siya gusto. Okay lang. Okay lang. You don't have to like everything. Oh, next na tayo. Oh, next. Oh, yan. You want to try that one? Oh,
Yes.
sige, try. Oh, anong lasa?
This. Dude, guys.
Oh, masarap? Are you sure?
Ano po ba ito? What is
Calamari.
calamari? What's calamari po?
Squid.
Squid? Sorry. It don't taste good.
Bumaw.
Binahawi mo naman bigla. Masarap, sabi mo.
Why are you letting me eat squid?
Ikaw nga kakainin mo yan eh. It's good, di ba? Oh.
Or squid. Atento na tayo. Atento anything about it.
Masarap naman, di ba? Oh, calamari is good. Right?
From now on, I will eat food na like this.
Oh, what is that?
Calamari.
Yes, that's calamari. Yay! Masarap yan with suka. Oh, with suka like this. Oh, suka ni Tita Janice. Suka ng tropa.
I don't like suta, guys. Anhan.
Okay, oh, next tayo. Next!
Next.
What do you want to try next?
Next. Siomay.
Mm.
Yay!
Okay, eat the siomay na. O, gawa ni Mama yan. May spicy with Jen's chili garlic oil. The best to. Gawa ni Tita Jen. Yes. Pero hindi kita papakainin yan, syempre. Oh.
Okay. That's good.
Yay!
Basta lutam ni Mama masarap.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. I love your tootin.
Oh, wow. Salamat, dear.
Welcome po.
Is it good, Diana? Oh, thank you, Mama. You're welcome.
Mama.
Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Next na tayo. Next. Oh, try this.
Which one?
This is cheese sticks. This is so good too.
This one.
Ito na ko, cheese sticks. Oh. Oh, try na tayo ng cheese sticks. Yay!
Ano naman to?
That's ketchup with mayo.
But not ketchup.
Natawa na ka ni Diana, oh. Oh, dip. Okay, try it. Come on.
I can eat it.
Oh, ba't isasawsaw mo?
Oh my God.
Try it. Try.
Mama, fish.
Wow, kumain ka na ng ketchup! Ano lasa?
I don't like ketchup. I don't like ketchup, Lord.
Oo, kinain mo naman. Oh.
Throw up.
Throw up daw.
Don't think, Daddy.
Kasi
Pangkya.
hala ka, wow.
Pangkyala.
Ngumanga ka daw.
Totla. It's not.
Nagsisip.
Eat the tin.
Eat the whole thing. Yung ketchup. Huwag mo na siyang panoorin. Kainin. Sige, try it ng walang ketchup. Pizza ketchup. Sige, masarap ang cheese sticks. Oh.
Mistake today, sorry.
Sige, kainin mo. Water bottle daw.
Yummy.
Oh. Dip mo ulit.
I don't like it. That's with chop and mayo. I made a mistake, guys. Don't tell me ito.
Ayaw niya talaga nang nadudumihan yung kamay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Daddy, tissue, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
So nice. Okay.
What land does some dinosaur this on
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Daddy can throw it in the garbage. Thank you. Oh, next. What's next? Oh, try the mango and singkamas. Namang singkamas and green mangoes, nilalako din yan sa sa Philippines. Isa sa mga street food din. Masarap. Together with this.
What's that?
Oh, tingnan mo. Lapit mo sa'yo. Oh.
Do you
Oh.
smell?
Ganito yan, oh. Pakita sa'yo ng daddy mo kung paano.
But there's a water.
Siguro para ma-maintain yung freshness niya. Kaya ganun. Binibili namin yan sa naglalako. It's good. Oh, try it yan, ang. Oh. You wanna try?
Sorry, that's we don't like this. When we're big, we don't eat this.
Oh, pag big ka na, tsaka mo na lang Eto na lang, try mo na lang yung singkamas siguro. Sige, if you don't like it, that's fine. Hindi ka namin, ipo-force na gawin yon. Okay, try the green mango, maybe. Without the alamang. Oo, without the alamang.
Without Mama fly.
Oh, try mo to.
Yummy mango. See?
Kaya nilalagyan siya ng bagoong.
Then water.
No, ng bagoong, ng alamang.
Partner yan yan.
Partner sila.
Ito,
You want to try or no?
No. Milton, please.
Ayan, oh. Pakita natin sa kanila, oh. Oh. Singkamas and mango with alamang. I'll try it. Ang harap. Maybe try just the singkamas.
Just a singkamas.
That's singkamas.
Iba tawag niyan dito. Sige, try the singkamas.
Wow.
Is it good? Dito sa Canada, jicama.
Jitama.
Wala lang. Lasang water lang yan. But it's good. It's good with soap.
So good.
Parang hindi naman. Do you like it or no?
I like it. I like the singkamas po, not the alamang.
Oh, it's okay. Next na tayo. Next. Next. Try natin yung crispy okoy ni
Tito JT. As for the na-try Tito JT's crispy otoy. Crispy otoy.
Okay. Oh, try na natin yung isa. Mukhang yummy. Okay.
I love it.
Yes. Nagbigay pa si Tito JT ng suka niya, oh. Tingnan mo, oh.
That's the best po food na jet ni JT.
Yes. So, try it. Kahit walang sausawan yan.
Thank you, Tito Titi sarap na food.
O, sige, kainin nyo na. Eat.
Bubusod na tayo na Titi Tim.
Ubusog ka nakakatikim? Oh.
That's good, guys.
Tastes good? You like it?
Yes po. Para mistake ko na naman.
Tapos?
Tapos dito. Shrimp. Ito, Titi's auto is yummy. Best.
Ito.
Si Diana gusto pa ng siomay. Sarap po siomay ng mama to.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay.
You're welcome.
Last na natin tong itatry.
What's this po? Bit wet.
Hindi. Ano yan? Tokneneng.
Tutnenen. What does that mean?
Egg yan. Big egg.
Big egg?
Tsaka yung isa, ibang egg. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, normal egg pala.
Masarap yan ng may suka, but you don't want the suka. It's okay.
Please.
Is it good?
Yes, that's good.
Mhm.
Good, Diana, siomay. Good.
Okay. Oh, the other one naman.
What's that?
Ganun, tokneneng din, oh.
Nene.
What's name? No.
Bakit?
Daddy, not like that na egg. Allah, but my dad, adorable.
Yeah, balot yan.
Baluta din. Wala to normal egg lang. Baluta din. Look, guys, at the little dot. It looks a flower. Di tayo naaawa.
Kagkain talaga yan, dear. Masarap yan with Tita Janice suka. Oh, masarap yan sa spicy suka.
Yan yung t-shirt about milk. Yan yung
Ayaw mo na ng balot ngayon?
dito na tayo.
Oh.
I don't like it for die. Sorry.
It's okay, dear. Most of your followers know that you don't like the balut. But that's part of it, like tokneneng. It's good with cucumber and spicy suka.
Oh,
It's, hala, ano yun? Na paano?
can I see? Okay. Do you feel better now? Yes. Good.
Na paano? What happened to you? You bit your thumb? You hurt your thumb? Oh. Oh, okay ka na? Feel better now? Okay. Oh, do you want to try the balut?
Daddy, tissue.
Hindi, yung tissue.
Thank you.
Nakita mo yan. Sit down.
Upo na, upo na.
Good.
Oh, galing nga. Oh, you want to try the balut, Diana?
Wow. Balut. What No, Diana, I don't want to. There wala diri-diri. Gusto mo pa? Kaya natin na tayo ang dat. Naman na, Diana. No? Alahin niya, Mike. Oh, no! Patay na yung dat.
Diana, tama na. Ang sarap daw ng balut.
Oh, no! Natuubuset. Tawawa naman si. That's magbababay na po kami. Grabe na guys. Finish yung balot. Show up na ato. But we like most of the food po. Sarap po ang the Filipino food.
Yay!
Yan na tama na. Listen na. Hi guys! Thank you for watching po. Thank you po sa Jeepney JT behind the bar. Tuta ng Shropa. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Mwah.